You can associate your deals with a pipeline in two ways. One, when adding a new deal. When you add a new deal, there is an option to associate your deal with a sales pipeline. Click on Select Pipeline to choose the pipeline you want to associate the deals with and select the stage on where your pipeline is at the moment and which status. Once done, click on the check icon to save the deal. 2. When editing a deal. You can modify the detail where your deal is associated with editing the deal on the Deal section view. Click on the pencil icon to edit a deal. Edit the details of the deal and change the sales pipeline association of the specific deal. Click on the check icon to apply the changes.